Wait, did that squirrel just order a robot vacuum? Yup. Today, our furry friend is unboxing the future. Look at those tiny paws ripping into the packaging, like a pro tech reviewer. The moment of truth. The robot vacuum powers on, and the squirrel? Instead of running away, he hops on like it's his personal Uber ride. Now he's zooming through the kitchen, surfing down the hallway, and acting like this is his brand new sports car. Who knew cleaning could look this adorable and slightly terrifying? Hey, smash that like button, subscribe for more wild tech moments.